Turning off Windows Mail's focused inbox. It's something that annoys me every time I run into it. I don't use Windows Mail very often, but when I do, usually for examples and answering questions and such, it's one of the first things that I turn off. Let's have a look at how to do that. I think you'll appreciate that as well. So here is Windows Mail, and you can see that I've got this focused and other inboxes, two inboxes. Down at the bottom, go ahead and hit the little settings icon. And there's actually an entry specifically for focused inbox. Now, if you have more than one account, you can turn this on or off on an account level if you like. My preference would be for no matter how many different accounts I have in Windows Mail to turn it off. And indeed, if I just turn it off and leave, now all of a sudden you'll notice that there is simply an inbox, one place for all of my incoming email. That's what I want. That's how I prefer it. And that's what you'll see in any examples I happen to have using Windows Mail on askleo. Hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is askleo.com.